Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with Happy Mail. I received some Happy Mail from a lady named Crystal Moody, and I believe her Instagram is Amazing Paper Creations. She actually just recently won my free giveaway, and she said that she wanted to send me something, and I thought that was so super sweet. So I just received her package, so I wanted to share with you guys what she sent. So I just opened it up, and this is what it looks like. She has, I think this might be a card, and she has my name on there, which I love how you use the banner. Really, really pretty in purple, and I really appreciate all of you who send me Happy Mail and do something purpley, because y'all know that's my favorite color. So it touches my heart that you guys actually, you know, you truly watch my videos and you've gotten to know me, and I just appreciate that. Oh my gosh, look at her handmade card. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at all the dies that she used. She's got a beautiful tree, and I absolutely love the wreath that she put on the mailbox. Isn't that adorable? And it says thanks, and she's got all these little hills and the picket fence. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. All right, I'm gonna open it up. Oh, and it just says, thank you for all the wonderful craft goodies. I can't wait to use them. Thanks for your kindness, your crafty friend, Crystal. Oh, you're welcome. So she had already received the prize giveaway, and that's what she's talking about. So I'm so glad that you received my package, and thank you for sending this to me. This is so sweet, and I love how you layered with the scalloped dies. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. It says, made just for you because you're priceless. Aw, that's so sweet. That is such a pretty card. Love that. I'm gonna have to maybe scrap lift that idea. Maybe for even Christmas would be pretty. And I love that little tiny bow. That's just adorable. All right, I'm gonna move along. So she's so super sweet. So she looks like she sent me some goodies. Aw, this is so not necessary, but I appreciate it. She used a beautiful tag topper with that pretty bow. And I'm gonna open it up here on the bottom. So she sent me some stamps, and I don't have the stamp set. Stuck on You, Love Grows. Oh, that's adorable. Thank you so much. Super cute. And then she sent me some Valentine's Day stickers. Those are really sweet. And then look at these cute little owls. Oh, those are adorable. And then it looks like she sent me a few pages of cardstock that I can use. I appreciate that. I'm gonna put that off to the side. And then it looks like she sent me some die cuts. Oh my goodness. So I truly appreciate that. And let me just look at what she sent. I don't think I have this die. So look at this beautiful die. Oh gosh, that's gorgeous. And I can, you know, create a card. Look how pretty that would be. Oh, that's gorgeous. Thank you for sending that, as I don't have that die. And then she sent this one. Oh, that's really pretty as well. I'm glad you sent me things that I don't have, because I actually don't have these dies. And then look at that pretty one. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow, thank you so much for taking the time to die cut out some dies, or some die cuts for me. I truly appreciate that. And that is super cute as well. And I don't even know, I guess you know, like, I don't have those dies. I honestly don't. And then she sent these ones, and look how pretty those are. Get on frame. Those are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Crystal. And then I think these are just the little stars and stuff that came out of the bigger die cuts. That's what it looks like to me. Yes. And then she sent me some of these really pretty doilies, and I don't think I have this die either. Believe it or not, you guys, I don't have all the dies. Despite what you may think, I really don't. So thank you so much, Crystal. That was so sweet of you to send me a little bit of Happy Mail. I truly appreciate it. Thanks for supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.